Dangerous habits that can damage your brain. The brain is the command center in our body. It receives signals from sensory organs and other information recognizing muscles from the body and decides the action and response accordingly. A human brain is equivalent to about 2% body weight. Not only this, if the importance of the mind is explained, then the human intellect will be surprised. But since many of us are unaware of the importance of the brain, we have unknowingly made some shortcomings that have a great impact on the brain. Habit of not eating breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Without it, not only do you feel lethargic but your mind also has a hard time making the right decisions. A Japanese study found that people who do not eat breakfast have a 36% higher risk of mental weakness and an increased risk of low sugar levels. As we know, both of these things affect our brain badly. Due to low sugar levels, the brain is not able to function properly, which also has a profound effect on memory. For example, morning food should be eaten like kings, lunch like ministers and dinner like fakirs. This shows how important morning food is to us because our body needs it. Lack of water. More than 70% of our body consists of water. All parts of the body, including the brain and nervous system, also depend on water. And the effect of dehydration on the brain occurs very quickly. Our body needs 2 to 3 liters of water daily and about 85% of our brain functions depend on water. According to Dr. Karian Allen, founder of the Advanced Learning and Development Institute, brain cells require twice as much energy as the body, and water provides this energy better than any other food. Water is also very important for producing hormones and neurotransmitters in the brain, and almost half of the brain's energy is spent to make these neurotransmitters. When your brain works solely in water supply, it's able to think better, be more agile, and develop more creativity. The answer to a question as to why it is important to drink more water throughout the day is very simple but very deep, because the brain does not have any means to store water. Habit of eating full. When we overeat, the food loses its nutrition and the body feels more hungry, because it does not get what it needs, that is, nutrition. Eating without nutrition does not improve brain function. In addition, chronic obesity causes brain volume to decrease. According to a study of neuroscience by Vanderbilt University, people who eat high amounts of fast food have a weak brain. About 30% of the world's population is obese, which shows how common the habit of eating has become. Eating high-calorie food has a negative effect on memory. Those who ate more food have been found to have symptoms of forgetting things. Research by the Mayo Clinic shows that amnesia is clearly seen in elderly people due to overeating. Excessive use of mobile phones. As we all know that electromagnetic fields emit radiations, long-term proximity to these radiations is harmful to human health. Mobile phones also emit similar radiations. Having a mobile in bed with you while sleeping can disrupt your sleep. A study conducted in Sweden has shown that radiation emitted from mobile causes headaches and confusion. These rays can even cause cancer. Smoking habit. We all know that smoking is harmful to our physical health, but very few people know that smoking affects our brain. Smoking not only inhibits brain growth, but it also creates an imbalance in the hormones that control the brain. Even smoking causes some parts of the brain to shrink. A team of researchers has found that chronic smoking affects the function of dopamine in the brain. Dopamine is a factor that helps us quit addiction and keep us away from addiction. Doctors have also found that the coats of smokers are thinner than those of non-smokers. This part of the brain is used in memory, language and perception. Doctors say the thin cortex is the cause of mental weakness. Habit of sleeping late at night. Our brain and body need at least 7 to 8 hours of rest every day, only then can a human brain function properly. The habit of sleeping late every day is very harmful for our body and mind. Lack of sleep negatively affects your mental abilities. In particular, it affects your memory. According to the report of the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, when we sleep, the cellular structure of our brain expels toxic cells produced during the day. Therefore, it is very important to get night's sleep to avoid brain disorders. Excessive sweets. The indiscriminate use of sweets has spread as a dangerous epidemic all over the world. Through processed foods, fruit juice, carbonated drink, sweets and cakes, our body absorbs excess sugar, which affects our body. This results in obesity, malnutrition, mental system complications and poor health. You should avoid sugar and things made from it as much as possible. Excessive amounts of sugar are dangerous for our whole body, affecting the central nervous system. If the effects of sugar are most prevalent in our body, it is our brain. Sugar affects the functioning of many parts of the brain, such as dopamine and opioid receptors. Opioid receptors are a chemical compound that interacts with specific receptors in the body, helping the body to resist pain, cough, constipation, heart palpitations, emotions, slow breathing, and fainting. Dopamine acts like a neurotransmitter in the brain, a chemical that is used to convey the message of neurons to other nerve cells. These are habits that we don't pay much attention to, but they can put our lives at risk. As far as possible, we should eliminate these habits from within ourselves, so that we can lead a healthy life and tell others about their disadvantages so that they too can lead a healthy life.